In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Hireup account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in app.hireup.com.au/login. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Hireup. You can see over here you'll be able to log in to your Hireup account. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option, sign up for an account, and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, all you have to do is enter your email address and password. Click on the field of email address and enter your email address over here. After you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forgot password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter your credentials, click on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Hireup account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.